Hey guys, today's video I have some look for less Christmas candle holder DIYs to share with you guys that I created with Dollar Tree and Dollar General items. So I saw these bronze nutcracker candle holders online, and it's not showing the price on here right now because when I went to go look for the price to show you guys, it's actually out of stock, but they're originally $80 for the set, guys. And I knew I could make that with Dollar Tree items, so I wanted to share with you guys a couple different versions. So Dollar Tree has their nutcrackers that they bring out every year. They're $1.50 now. And then if you guys remember, I shared with you guys in my last video, my Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas video, that I found these little nutcrackers at Dollar General for $1 that I spray painted gold and use them as decorations. So you can use these as well if you want a smaller look. And then also they have these nutcrackers that are $1 as well at Dollar General. I was only able to find one of them, but I wanted to share with you guys where you can find different ones depending on the size that you're going for. So they have this smaller one that's more detailed. They have the other one that's kind of in the middle, and then they have the bigger version ones at Dollar Tree for $1.50. Now, if you chose the ones from Dollar Tree, the first thing that you need to do before you paint it is to remove all the hair. And this comes off really easy. It can rip off really easy, or you can just use some scissors to take it off, but you need to remove all the hair before you paint it. Now for the candles, I'm going to use these LED emergency lights because I like the fact that it comes with like a base to it, but they're also battery operated, so you don't have to worry about putting real candles on here on something that's plastic. So I like that it gives the look of a candle, but I'm not worrying about, catching anything on fire. So you can put real candles on here, but I don't recommend lighting them because these are like plastic nutcrackers. So I like the fact that I can put these plastic or these LED lights and give the look of candles, but not using real candles and, catching any fire. But I just attach the base to the top of the hat of each nutcracker, and I made sure that I was putting the candle on top of it as well as I was gluing it to make sure that the candle will sit up straight too, because sometimes when you glue things and then you try to put the candle on later, you see that the things are crooked. So definitely put on the candle as you're gluing so that you can make sure that the candle is sticking up straight. When it came to these little nutcrackers they were ornaments that had the hole in it, I made sure that I put some hot glue in it just to seal that hole so that it was easier for me to glue the base on top of this. Now when it came to the small nutcrackers, I decided to spray paint them gold to go with the Ralph Lauren look that I was doing with my other DIYs, because I plan to add these into my dining room tablescape, and so I wanted the golds to match the other golds that I did with the Ralph Lauren DIYs I shared with you guys. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below, but you can do it bronze if you want to, but I love the fact that this one came out gold, and I love the way that this looks. They look absolutely cute. I love them. I think they look so good, just like the other ones, in my opinion, and you can put them anywhere in your home, on a shelf, on a table. But stay tuned when I share with you guys my Christmas house tour. I'm gonna share with you guys how these look on my dining room tablescape with all my other Ralph Lauren DIYs. Now I wanted to give you guys a different option when it came to the bigger ones, and plus I had some rose gold spray paint in my house that I wanted to use, and I like using rose gold in my office, so I decided to use the rose gold for these nutcrackers, and I like the way that they came out. So I wanted to share with you guys how you can make them different types of versions. You can do the bronze like the original, you can make it gold like my Ralph Lauren one, or you can do this rose gold, which is really pretty. You could take this and do it any way you want. You can even do it black if you like, but I just wanted to share with you guys another version of how you can make it a rose gold. I just love how they came out, and definitely when you pick out the nutcrackers, pick out this one. This one has the ones with the swords because their hats are flat and it just works better, but I love the way they came out. Let me know in the comments down below, which one do you like better? Do you like the gold or do you like the rose gold? Now when I saw this Neiman Marcus snowflake candle holder, I thought it was really pretty, and I thought I could recreate it with some Dollar Tree items or even some stuff from Dollar General. Now I did see at Dollar Tree some ornaments that were similar to this, and I was thinking about using them, but I just didn't like the glitter on it. I felt like it was too fake, too cheap looking. I just didn't like the look of it, so I decided to leave them at the store. But I did go to Dollar General and I saw these red velvet ornaments that I loved so much, and they only had one pack, and I'm like, what are you gonna do with one pack of ornaments? That's only 4. I was like, well, I can make the DIY with this because you can't really decorate with only 4 ornaments. So I was like, I can use them for this DIY. I love the look of this ornament, so I was like, I'm definitely gonna use them. Now for the base of this, I'm going to use these wine glasses that you can get at Dollar Tree in the Dollar Tree in the party section at Dollar Tree. As you can see with that red sticker, it's now $1.50. But these come apart, so the bottom part of these glasses are perfect for the base of these candle holders. I then took that base and the base of another pack of LED emergency candle lights, and I spray painted them gold, the same gold that I did the nutcrackers and my Ralph Lauren DIYs. And then before I started attaching everything together, I took my hot glue gun and I added some glue in the inside of the holes of the ornaments and then the inside of the holes of that base from the wine glasses. Because I wanted to make sure that I had a flat surface to stick everything together, I put some glue in there and let it dry, and then that way there would be an easy flat surface to glue all the pieces together. Then it was time to attach everything together, and this wasn't easy, guys, I have to tell you, because I'm trying to make this as straight as possible and you're putting different pieces together that can lean. So it's one of those DIYs you have to take your time and take your time slowly to do it. I did go a little overboard on the glue, and when you guys see the pictures at the end, you guys will see that I did, but that's an easy fix. I'm just going to touch it up with some gold paint so it kind of blends in with the bases, but I really want to make sure this was secure. So try to go light on the glue if you can, but if you do go overboard with the glue like I did, definitely you could just touch it up with some paint, paintbrush and some gold paint. But I love how this came out. It looks so high end. I've seen this at the store for much more. I really like how this red and gold pop together, and I can't wait to share with you guys how I decorate my bedroom with it. I have it in my bedroom right now and it looks so nice. Like I said, stay tuned for that upcoming video where I'll give you my house tour and share with you guys how I decorate my home with all the DIYs I've been sharing with you guys. Another look for less idea that I wanted to share with you guys that I didn't do, but I think you guys can do it easily with a Dollar Tree item, is this right here. These, as you can see, they're quite expensive, and Dollar Tree has similar versions of this, like the smaller one, and you can get it for $1.50, not with the price that it is right now. Spray painted black, and then you can even add some red candles that Dollar Tree does have with it and create this same look. So if you do like this, do not spend this much on it. Go to Dollar Tree, find the similar tree candle holders like this, spray paint them whatever color you want, put whatever color candle you want, and you'll get this similar look for much less. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, and also let me know in the comments down below what videos would you like to see coming up on my channel soon, so I can start making some content that you guys want to see. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.